Morning everyone, myself Dr. Nisha Malik, Assistant Professor from Department of Physiotherapy, RPIT Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel which is RPIT Academics. So we're going to talk about the resistance exercises. So performed by opposing the mechanical or manual resistance is called the resisted exercise. So now type of resisted exercise, manual and mechanical. In manual resisted, these can be operated by the therapist, patient himself, or relative and friends. Second one is mechanical resisted. Mechanical resisted exercise can be performed by weight, springs, pulley, and water. So, these resisted exercise can be stated when the muscle power is 2, that is from gravity eliminated position. We can increase the resistance by altering the leverage, by increasing the weight, by altering the speed, by changing the duration. Then uses of resisted exercise. Resisted exercise increase the strength of the muscle earlier. The weak muscle can be strengthened much earlier than any other exercise regime. Can be started from the muscle power 2 onwards. Strength of the muscle is directly proportional to the tension created inside the muscle. The resistant exercise can be create the more amount of intramuscular tension, strength into tension. Then uses of resisted exercises. First one is increase the endurance of the muscle. Powerful muscle contraction increase the blood flow of the muscle fiber and it get nutrition and the O2. Resisted exercise increase the muscular power. Power is related to the strength of the muscle and the speed. Power is equal to force into distance over time. The next is progressive resisted exercise. In progressive resisted exercise, repetition maximum. The maximum amount of the weight a person can lift throughout the range of the motion exactly 10 times. Three types of progressive resisted exercise regime are available. DeLome and Watkins, McQueen and Oxford technique. So first one is DeLome and Watkins. 10 times with half 10 RM. 10 times with 3/4 10 RM. 10 times with 10 RM. Then progression is 30 times weekly 4 sessions. Every week 10 RM progression. So in DeLome Watkins, for example, consider 10 RM in 1 kg. First week, half of 10 RM is half kg. 3/4 of 10 RM in 3/4 kg. Full of 10 RM is 1 kg. Exercise regime in 10 times with half kg, 10 times with third 4 kg, 10 times with 1 kg. So now in second week progression is 10 RM. 10 RM plus 10 RM, 1 kg plus 1 kg is equal to 2 kg. Exercise regime is 10 times with 1 kg, 10 times with 11 and half 2 kg, 10 times with 2 kg. Then DeLome and Watkins. In this exercise regime, the weight is increased, that is first with half kg followed by 3/4 kg and 1 kg. Each and every session, the patient has to lift the above said three types of weight 10 times each, so that daily 30 times lifting been done. Then